New York City, the city of dreams and debt. Two people, same income, $7,000 a month. Same ambition, same drive. One will build real wealth over the next 5 years. The other will stay trapped, paycheck to paycheck, in a city that rewards appearance over freedom. And the wild part? The difference between them isn't their job, their luck, or their timing. It's the apartment they rent. And before we get started, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more eye-opening content like this. Jordan just got promoted. He walks through a luxury Manhattan apartment, floor-to-ceiling windows, rooftop pool, skyline view, and that intoxicating smell of "I've made it." The leasing agent smiles. "It's $3,200 a month." Jordan hesitates for a second, then nods. "You only live once. I deserve this." Across the river in Queens, Alex tours a quiet one-bedroom. No doorman, no view, just space, light, and peace. Rent $1,800. Alex runs the numbers. "That's $1,400 I can invest every month instead of burning it on rent." Same income, same city, but two completely different financial stories just began. Jordan signs the luxury lease, nearly half his income gone before the month even starts. It feels like progress, like success, like he's finally living the New York dream. Alex signs his modest lease. It doesn't feel exciting, but when he checks his budget and sees room to save, it feels powerful. Jordan just bought comfort. Alex just bought control. 2 months in, Jordan hosts a dinner party. City lights, wine glasses, compliments flying. "Bro, this place is amazing." He smiles, pretending not to love it. But behind every compliment is a cost. $3,200 every single month. Half his income gone just to look successful. Across town, Alex scrolls through his investment app. His modest apartment feels quiet, but so does financial peace. Every month, he invests $1,400 into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. It's not glamorous, but it's the kind of move that makes compound interest his roommate. Jordan's rent, $3,200 a month. That's $38,400 a year. Alex's rent, $1,800 a month, $21,600 a year. That's a $16,800 gap. Alex invests that difference. At just 8% annual growth, that decision alone grows into nearly $120,000 in 5 years. Jordan's rent buys status. Alex's savings buy assets. Same paycheck, different trajectory. 5 years pass. Jordan has upgraded again. New apartment, better view, newer furniture. But the math hasn't changed. Every raise just feeds lifestyle inflation. His bank account? Maybe $7,000. Alex still lives simply. Same neighborhood, same apartment, maybe a few upgrades. But that portfolio? It's worth more than a year's salary, producing passive income. Jordan's living the dream. Alex is building one. Jordan bought validation. Alex bought freedom. Jordan wakes up stressed, hoping rent clears after bills. Alex wakes up calm, knowing his investments are quietly compounding. Luxury feels rich, but freedom is rich. It's not because they're irresponsible. It's because they mistake comfort for progress. Our world rewards appearances. Nicer apartments, better zip codes, social proof. But every time you upgrade for validation, you're signing away a piece of your financial independence. You don't see the trap because it's disguised as success. The broke mindset says, "What can I afford this month?" The rich mindset asks, "What will this cost me in 5 years?" Jordan sees rent as the price of living well. Alex sees rent as the opportunity cost of wealth. The broke trade freedom for comfort. The rich trade comfort for freedom. And over time, that mindset gap becomes a wealth gap. 5 years from now, there are two versions of you. One is still renting, still stretched, still watching money slip away. The other owns assets, maybe not a penthouse, but peace of mind. One spent to feel rich. The other sacrificed to be rich. So before you sign that next lease, ask yourself, am I paying for comfort or buying my future? If this opened your eyes, subscribe right now to the Money Manual. Because next time, we're breaking down the next financial trap that keeps people broke: buying a car.